The bird. In the Umbrian street we craned our heads. My friend says it's far too high to tell whether it's a buzzard or a red kite. Whatever bird of prey it calls itself, it likes the mountains, this hunting bird. So, looking down upon this village street, the sun has painted the jagged roof line as Apennine shadows on the burnt walls. We, looking up, observe the cloudless sky trapped between the terracotta gutters, replicating this raptor's crescent wing. The drifting bird, shadowed stone, flawless sky, are merging the earth with the Umbrian.